SMP negeri di Malang, Jawa Timur yang diduga menjadi korban perundungan teman sekolahnya setelah
Bullying merupakan ekspresi menyimpang pada anak dalam upaya pencarian jati diri. Peran pendidikan di keluarga dan sekolah sangat diperlukan sebagai penyeimbang.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Mikaela Dorado from grade 10 Matulungin. Stop cyberbullying, spread kindness, not hate. In our modern times, internet has become part of our daily lives. This becomes a tool for learning, entertainment, and venue for communication. Alongside, the internet can become a very dangerous place when not used right. Unlike traditional bullying, cyberbullying is a form of harassment that takes place online, where bullies use social media, messaging apps, and other digital platforms to spread hate, embarrassment, and fear. It is a serious issue that affects millions of people, especially teenagers, leading to emotional distress, mental health issues, and even tragic consequences. One of the most alarming effects of cyberbullying is the impact on mental health. Mental health matters because it affects how we think, feel, and live every single day, and by being bullied, victims may feel powerless, isolated, and humiliated, knowing that hurtful messages, photos, and rumors can be seen by countless people online. These ongoing issues can lead to anxiety, depression, and questioning to ourselves. In severe cases, victims may fall to self-harm and suicidal thoughts. Cyberbullying invades our safe spaces unlike face-to-face bullying. The abuse can follow the victims through their phones and computers, leaving them with no safe space to recover. Making it clear that cyberbullying is not just an online issue, but a serious mental health concern. Always think before sharing and posting anything we saw on social media. Educating our children to always spread kindness and love to others. And when you are being bullied, always seek the help of your family or an adult you trust. Bullies should be held responsible not to shame them, but to help them understand the harm they cause and learn to do better. If we all choose kindness over hate and fear, and lead by example in how we treat others online in real life, we can make the internet a place where respect and humanity are stronger.